Hey, good evening. It's Mario Daniel Sconza. I just want to share with you a couple of random thoughts, excuse me, on how to relax tension. And there certainly is, if you haven't noticed, like I have here, a lot of tension in this world today. But it is a beautiful world, and it is the world that God has made. God is good. He has the plan. It will prevail. Anyhow, some random thoughts on. By the way, trust the process. How to relax tension. Number one is scatter some quiet periods throughout the day after an extended period first thing in the morning and think godly thoughts. So, what we want to do is we want to achieve communion with the highest version of ourselves mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, financially, and in our relationships. And the good Lord told us in the book of Psalms, I believe it was, the book of Psalms, be still and know that I am God. There's nothing quite like quietness to help us understand where we are and what we can do to progress towards where we want to be. And stillness, quietness, very important. And so extended period, first thing in the morning or last thing in the evening, whatever works best for your schedule, or at the very least, sometime throughout the day. And do this daily for an extended period. And then, as I say, some quiet interludes in between, maybe 1 or 2 minute interludes, and very important for serenity and relaxing tension. Number two is breathe uh, in and out. Breathe in and out, and that tends to exhale tension, and creates energy as well. In through your nose, out through your mouth. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Deep breathing tends to relax tension and create actually some energy inside of your body. Visualize. Take some time, invest some time in visualization. Visualize where you've been. Take a memory trip or a visioneering trip. A memory trip, some beautiful beach you've sat on, or a mountain you've climbed, or just something that makes you happy. Um, Go there from time to time, or a visioneering trip about where you see yourself and experience that idea now, and conceive of the peace that God passes, touching every part of your physical being and permeating deeply into your spirit. Allow Him in. Consciously and deliberately drain out of your mind every agitated, unnerving, tensed up thought. Release it. See these thoughts as flowing out of your mental apparatus. Visualize these ideas, see these thoughts moving out of your mind. And, we cannot necessarily control the first thought that comes to our mind, but we can manage the subsequent thoughts, and we can manage what thoughts we actually capture, hold on to, and give energy to. And then practice the healing therapy of words, not harsh words, but melodic, peaceful words. Say them slowly, extracting from them their deepest essence. Words like tranquility, serenity, quietness, and restfulness. And create a mantra to center your soul. The light of God is inside you now. The light of God is around you now. Wherever you are, God is. All is dissolved into the light. That's a mantra when I was going through some dark moments in my own personal life with my teenage daughter at the time. who's now a beautiful, vibrant, about to be married, 23-year young, beautiful lady. But there were some dark moments, dark teenage moments. And, that was my mantra for her. And I would repeat that sometimes hundreds, if not thousands of times a day. And I would speak to her soul, from her soul. And certainly, I can say that that idea worked and brought us out of some dark moments. That, along with some great prayer from people that loved her. So anyhow, these are some thoughts on how to relax tension. How do you do it? What do you do to relax tension? I'd love to see your thoughts here below. Thanks very much for listening. Peace be with you, and grace on to you.